Hello, today we present you a cooking recipe, a tuna sauce. For this recipe you need tuna 225 grams,
some wrapped cheese 200 grams,
salt and pepper,
half shallot.
lemon juice.
You need also a bowl,
A kitchen whisk,
a balance,
a cling film,
a knife and cutting board.
and a spoon.
Firstly, put cheese in a bowl with draining tuna.
Add salt and pepper and mix the preparation.
Cut the half shallot in a little piece to add to the preparation. Add the shallot in a bowl. Then add the lemon juice, if you want.
Then mix the preparation.
To finish, top the bowl with cling film.
Put the tuna sauce in the fridge during 1 hour.
A few moments later.
You can eat the tuna sauce on toast or with biscuits.